using high sounding words but with little meaning. Dwarf varieties of trees और shrubs grown in pots. Bonsai उथले बर्तन में उगी झाड़ी का किस्म. The sum of money added to a person's wages as a reward for good performance. Bonus अधिलाभ पारितोषिक. An avid book reader or one who reads a lot. Bookworm किताबी कीड़ा. A hunting weapon which come back used by Australian aborigines. Boomerang एक किस्म का मुड़ा हुआ बाग जो फेंकने वाले के पास लौट आता है. To take something on loan with the intention of returning it. Borrow borrow उधार लेना. One who is well versed in a knowledge of plants. Botanist वनस्पति विज्ञानी. The scientific study of plants and their structure. Botany वनस्पति विज्ञान. A narrow or busy section of road where the traffic often gets slower and stops. Bottleneck रास्ते का संकीर्ण भाग. Abroad road bordered with trees. Boulevard 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 मुख्य मार्ग. An arrangement of flowers that is usually given a present. Bucket bouquet गुलदस्ता belonging to middle class. Burgians bourgeois burgess मुख्य वर्ग मध्य वर्ग. Burgess मध्य वर्ग. A shop that sells women's clothes and jewelry. Boutique 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 महिलाओं का वस्त्रालय. Affecting or relating to cows. Pertaining to cattle. Bovine गाय से संबंधित. A shady place under trees. Bower पेड़ों की नीचे का छायादार स्थान. An act of breaking or failing to observe a law. Breach नियम तोड़ना. A factory where beer is made. Brewery शराब की भट्टी. Leather straps put around a horse head to control it. Bridle bridle लगाम. Member of a band of robbers. Brigand brigand डाकू. Hard but easily broken. Liable to break easily. Brittle brittle भंगुर आसानी से टूटने योग्य. The young of an initial cared for at one time or a family of young birds. Brood brood एक जीव का बच्चा. A meal that is usually taken late in the morning that combines a late breakfast and an early lunch. Brunch brunch नाश्ते और खाने को साथ खाना. A woman with drank a woman with her dark brown hair. Brunty brunette Brunty गहरे भूरों वाली स्त्री. An itemized summary of estimated expenses for a given period along with proposals for financing. Budgeting budgeting मतलब बजट. Gold and silver before using for manufacturing ornaments. Ballan ballan सोने चांदी की ईंटें. A collection of sticks. Bundle गट्ठा. A large single detached house with single or double story. Bungalow 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 मतलब बंगला कोठी. Carry out a task clumsily or incompetently. Bungle गड़बड़ करना. A government run by officials in a state. Bureaucracy नौकरशाही. A person who enters a building illegally in order to steal. Burglar सेंधमार. Whole excavated by an initial as dwelling. Bureau bill. The sound made by bees. Buzz भड़बड़ाहट. Cows are sheltered. Byre गौशाला. a group of things that have been hidden in the some place. Catch, CACHE, Gupt Bhandar, one who is bad in spelling, cacographer, अशुद्ध बरतनी वाला, harsh or discordant sound, loud, sorry, loud, confusing, disagreeable sound, or an incongruous or chaotic mixture, cacophony, कोलाहल, the young one of a cow, calf, CLF, bachda, a person who is skilled at producing beautiful handwriting, calligrapher, sulekhak, the art of beautiful handwriting, calligraphy, sulekh, a mind devoid of kind feeling and sympathy, kalwas, kathor hriday, that which make it difficult to recognize is presence to is presence or real nature of something. Camouflage, छलावरण, a person who eats human flesh, cannibal, नरभक्षक, love for dogs, canophilia, CANOPHILIA, कुत्ते से प्यार, house or shelter of a gypsy, a group of people, especially traders or pilgrims, traveling together across the desert, caravan, 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 kafila, a dead body of an initial animal. The dead body of an initial, sorry, the dead body of an animal, carcass, 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 pasu saw, something which is considered to be very important, cardinal, CARDI, मुख्य प्रधान, a doctor who specialize in the study or treatment of heart disease, cardiologist, हृदय रोग विशेषज्ञ, the study of heart and its action and disease, cardiology, हृदय विज्ञान, a picture of a poem, sorry, a picture of a person or a thing drawn in such a highly exaggerated manner as to cause laughter, caricature, 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 व्यंग चित्र, animals that eat meat, carnivorous, 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 मांसभक्षी, song which is sung in a church by a group of singers, carol, CAROL, ईसाइयों का भजन,